There's a bomb storage and a field drum storage. It says that there's something to the left here, but I don't see anything. If it's in the jungle, then I'm not going in there. Got black butterflies all over the place. There's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in front of me. 9. Oh my gosh, there's so many black butterflies. Man, I hope there's no snakes. There's black butterflies everywhere. Oh, I just realized, am I gonna have to enter this spooky place? Yikes. Do I really have to enter this? Oh my god. Why is the sun? I don't remember. Was this the fuel one? Or I think this is the bomb storage place. This thing is massive. I don't want to enter anymore. This shit's too scary. Oh shit. Oh man, I feel like there's metal that's gonna fall down on me or something. Oh shit, there's a fucking wasps. There's wasps everywhere again. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go in there. A bunch of wasps again. But I can see the bombs. They're all still intact in there. Can you see them on the camera? Dude, I'm right above a metal rod. There's so many bombs in there. Okay, I'm gonna build up a little more courage. Oh, there's so many wasps. Damn it. Here, I'll show you on my mobile device what it looks like. It has a clear image. There's bombs all the way to the back. Wait, can you see this? I don't know. See the bombs in there? Yeah, man, I don't know. Those thinking wasps. The last thing I need is getting stung out here in the middle of nowhere with no help. Okay, we'll just take a peek. Oh, there's a wasp right above me. Take a quick peek. By the entrance. Oh, snap. It suddenly got dark. Why did it get dark? Oh my god. Oh shoot. Freaking wasps. I turned on my flashlight, but doesn't do anything. There's nothing much to see in here. It's kind of just bombs. Or maybe this isn't bombs. Maybe they look like oil rigs. Yeah, like oil canisters. It's crazy. Imagine all the giant explosion that happened here. I'd go further, but I don't think there's any point. One, because I can't see. And two, oh shoot! Okay, that's it. Oh no, there's wasps in the way. Oh my god. There are 3 wasps surrounding me. Anyway. Yeah, it's not like a pathway or anything, it's just a storage room. So as far as the back, all I saw was empty, destroyed drums. Yeah. There's nothing really else. Okay, well, this was a short video. I should have brought a flashlight, huh? I didn't know it was going to be this dark inside. Then we could have explored more. Man, that wasp is raiding right at the little bar. Now let me get back. So it's, oh snap, it's coming. Oh snap, is right in front of me. Okay, that's right. See you guys next time in the next video.